These three integrals look similar but may require different techniques in order to integrate. Up first, we have the integral of sine squared x dx. U substitution isn't obvious right away, so let's maybe try to rewrite that integral. Sine squared x can be rewritten using an identity 1/2 times 1 minus cosine of 2x dx. Maybe now substitution will help. Let's let u be 2x. Then du is 2 dx. Since 2 doesn't occur in the original integral, we'll divide both sides by 2. 1/2 du equals dx. Now we can rewrite this integral. We have 1/2 times 1 minus cosine of u, and then du, and dx we are replacing with 1/2 du. Let's clean that up just a little bit. I'm going to pull the 1/4 out front. So we have the integral of 1 minus cosine u du. Now integrating, the integral of 1 is u. Then the integral of cosine is sine, so that would be minus sine u. All of that plus c. We don't want u though. The original variable is x, so we'll need to go back and replace all of that. We have 1/4 times u is 2x minus sine of, replace u with 2x plus c. Simplifying once again, we can distribute that 1/4. We'll get 1/2 x minus 1/4 sine 2x plus c. In the second example, notice we have an odd power of sine. Usually when we have that situation, it's going to be best to factor out one power of sine. So we have sine x times sine squared x dx. Now we can rewrite that sine squared using an identity. Sine squared, remember, is 1 minus cosine squared. That's our Pythagorean identity. Now that we have this, we can make the substitution. We'll let u be cosine x, then du is negative sine x dx. Notice negative doesn't occur in the original. We have a positive sign but not a negative sign. So we'll just divide both sides by -1. Negative du is equal to sine x dx. Now rewriting that integral, we have the integral of 1 minus, replace cosine with u. So we have 1 minus u squared. And then the sine x dx is negative du. So we'll put du on the outside, and I'll pull the negative out front since it's just a constant. Now we can integrate. We have negative. The integral of 1 is u. The integral of negative u squared is negative 1/3 u cubed. And plus c. At this point, we can go back and replace the u's. U, we said, is cosine x. Plus 1/3, replace u with cosine, that is now cubed, x plus c. In this example, it looks like a substitution is going to be helpful. We'll let u be 2x, then du is 2 dx. We don't see 2 in the original integral, so we'll divide. 1/2 du equals dx. We can now rewrite this as 1/2 pull that 1/2 out front since it's just a constant. Sine of u du. Integrating this now, we have 1/2 out front. The integral of sine is negative cosine and plus c. Finally, we'll go back and replace what u is. We said that u is to x.